Hello, so I thought I'd give you an update on the bird room. So this pair, they've got a chick fledged. This is their second clutch, so they'll be put to rest after this one, after they finish weaning this chick. Obviously it won't stay still. But yeah, so that's that pair. Like I said, they'll be put to rest. This pair, so it's a black-faced cock with a black cheek hen. She's just still in the nest. They have 3 eggs in the nest, so see they latch out. So this is a black-faced cock with a light black hen. It's hard to see, but they have as you can see, you get 3 chicks, so they're doing well. You can see, it's like, so I'm excited for them, as light back hens are pretty hard to come across at the moment for some reason. So I'm excited to see what these turn out like. This cage is empty. The black-faced light-back cock that was in here, he'd finished weaning both his chicks, which both turned out to be cock, I think. So they've gone into the flight. My new pair of Goldians, see if I can get a good shot. New pair I've got. I want to try out some more Goldians. Let's see how I go with these first, especially it's winter. So see how I get on with these, and then yeah, probably get some more in the future. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Nice song as well. So yeah, these are still a pretty young pair. Probably have a go at breeding them springtime or something. Like, give them a go. If it goes well, like I say, I'm probably going to get some more. This pair is a black-faced hen with a black cheek cock. See if you can get them to stay still. There's Mal in it. You know, a little look at him. He's nice. Black fuse. They have 3 chicks in the nest. See if we can have a look. Sorry if it goes a bit wobbly. She's sat, but they're chicks. I can hear their chicks. So I know they've got. And I had a look this morning. They had 3 chicks, so I'm happy with that. See how they turned out. For some maybe some 2Bs or triple Bs. These is another black cheek cock with a black faced hen. You don't want to play ball either. Let's have a look at it. It's about right, isn't it? Yeah, it's a nice hen, nice good size hen. So they're sitting on 3 eggs at the moment. These are a new pair I got with the Goldians, and they're to go with my oranges. Probably mixed bloodlines. You can see he's a nice bird. So yeah, that's what's new. I'm hoping the Goldians do go well, so I really want to try some more, but I know they can be fragile, and obviously we're still only a year of keeping birds. You know, I've not really got a lot of experience yet, but we'll see how they go. I've eaten garage now. It stays at about 18 degrees through day, and it drops to about 16 through night. So what I've done here is I've separated my cocks and hens, just so that I can pair them up personally instead of pairing up the cells. You can see some nice birds to work for. Give the hens a bit of a rest, I think, and I'll probably start up maybe end of February, beginning of March. Yeah, I've got quite a few I've bred myself, and yeah, some nice dilute silvers. Yeah, some nice silvers. He's one that I've bred myself. He's a really good size on him. Yeah, I think that's Dad there. Oh yeah, there's a couple that I've bred myself, a couple of a black face. Oh yeah, we'll have a look at the hens. It's a bit better. See some more. Yeah. Some nice birds. Here's one I've bred myself as well, see if he won't fly off. Yeah, he's flying off. Let's have a look at hens, see if we can have a look at some of the hens. Give them a good rest. Here's my mate. So, give them all a good rest. There's quite a few in here. It's just whenever I move they all fly away. Quite a few hens. Yeah, quite a few hens. You can probably see there's maybe 3 at the back there. 3. Quite a few. Come on, focus. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's quite a few, 11 maybe, so. So yeah, all's going well. I definitely want to try some new species of bird next year. I might fancying some parrot finches, I think. And I'm definitely, if Goldians go well, I'm definitely want some more Goldians. A very nice bird. So yeah, just thought I'd give you all an update. Thank you.